The hydrocarbon pollution remediation project HYPREP has joined the global community in efforts towards achieving a greener, healthier planet. To this end, HYPREP, in collaboration with the Nigerian Environmental Society, marked the year 2024 World Environment Day with the planting of trees for the restoration of former mangrove areas in Ogoni land. Project coordinator HYPREP, Professor Nenibarini Zabe, says the theme for this year's World Environment Day, Our Land, Our Future, land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience, resonates deeply with the agency's mission and ongoing efforts to remediate the environment in Ogoni land in particular and the Niger Delta region in general. Zabi added that for a region whose primary livelihood depends on fertile soil and flourishing river systems, restoring degraded environment is essential for recovering and sustaining biodiversity, improving agricultural productivity, and enhancing communities' livelihoods. The 2024 World Environment Day provided an opportunity for stakeholders to reflect, design, and facilitate approaches to protect land, restore degraded ones, and discourage human activities that compromise the integrity of the environment and biodiversity.
Today we, in partnership with the Nigerian Environmental Society, came to the Bomu Creek, where HYPREP is restoring 560 hectares of former mangrove areas to carry out what I would call joint action for nature. On the 5th of this month is World Environment Day, but the activities start today. And so we came as partners to support the contractors that are planting mangroves to restore this shoreline area in Ogoni. Mangrove restoration is very important for our country because it is nature-based solution to climate change. And before now, Nigeria used to be used to have the fourth largest expanse of mangrove. As of 2010, the expanse of our mangrove area was 10,515 square kilometers. Just in a decade, in 2020, that area reduced to 8,240 square kilometers. So we lost 2,275 square kilometers. It's massive. And so HYPREP is providing leadership in mangrove restoration. We have provided a manual that will guide sustainable mangrove restoration in the Niger Delta and in the whole of Nigeria, and even will be beneficial to the rest countries along the west coast of Africa. We are mindful of the fact that sustainable mangrove restoration is dependent on sociological factors like community involvement or buy-in, like mobilizing citizens to take action. Because if we don't do that, it means that we are just doing a ceremony. Because we'll plant the mangroves and walk away. And then the people that live here that are supposed to care for the mangroves will not know what to do. And that's why we started our mangrove restoration effort by having interface with critical stakeholders like the women that pick periwinkle, fisher folks, as well as those who harvest mangrove wood for livelihood. And having got their buy-in, we were able to structure the objectives of our restoration, which is primarily to restore or to enhance coastal fisheries, to support local livelihoods, and also to support Nigeria to achieve its nationally determined contribution by contributing to the mitigation of climate change. Of course, mangroves are amongst the best carbon sinks, so they sequester more carbon 5 times more than tropical rainforest. And so another enabler of successful mangrove restoration is collaboration. So mobilizing bodies like the Nigerian Environmental Society to participate in what we are doing, because they will retain the memory even when HYPREP is not there. They will build their capacity in mangrove restoration, and then they will escalate it to every nook and cranny of the Niger Delta and of Nigeria. So today we came as partners for nature restoration to mark the beginning of World Environment Day in this part of the country. So we came here to plant mangroves, individuals planted mangroves, following the laid down protocol, maintaining the distance between stands, ensuring that they are properly planted, and ensuring that multi-species, which is what HYPREP is promoting, are planted.
Okay, what charge would you give